TXGA FBB04009 Series Board-to-Board Connectors. Available in 10-core, 24-core, 30-core, 40-core and other models. The product contact spacing is only 0.4 mm, and the combined height of male and female headers is 0.8 mm, meeting the interconnection needs of electronic equipment in extremely narrow spaces. The connector adopts annular groove double contact structure design. Can make the contact arrangement more compact, effectively save equipment space. At the same time, the structural stability of the connector is ensured under external impact. The terminals are gold-plated. Each contact can load current 0.3 A, voltage 60 V. The operating temperature range of the connector is 55 degrees Celsius 85 degrees Celsius, and the installation method is SMT surface mount technology. The height in space is only 0.8 mm. PCB board-to-board connection with contact spacing of only 0.4 mm. TXGA can provide you with a more stable and reliable board-to-board connector. At present, the products have been widely used in mobile phone LCD, OLED displays, mobile phone motherboards, camera modules, earpiece components and other modules. Enter TXGA official website. You can quickly obtain product technical information. Inventory and shipping cycles, product prices and other information. Order online on TXGA official website. Enjoy a convenient and efficient service experience.